रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जी मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे अक्टूबर 15, 2023 के अखबार में, और ये डॉन की जॉब्स हैं। पोजीशन ओपन, अकाउंट्स वांटेड कराची वालों के लिए। सीनियर अकाउंटेंट विद मिनिमम बीकॉम डिग्री एंड 10+ years of experience, must have excellent computer knowledge and communication skills. Females are encouraged to apply. Submit your resume to financial wizard pk@gmail.com. Financial wizard pk@gmail.com, a renowned vocational and technical institute located at Korangi, require computerized accounting teacher. The incumbent must be BCom/MCom with command on account software and advanced Excel. Apply on hr@wmomity.com or WhatsApp 033321247080 033321247080. Accountant required in independently can work. Knowledge of FBR/SRB/PSW/LC, 5 years experience. Kishore@cosmogroup.com.pk. Required junior accountant with 1 to 2 years of relevant experience. Email CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930। एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322438889 021322438889। रिक्वायर्ड सीनियर अकाउंटेंट विद 6 to 8 years of relevant experience. email CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. mention position in the subject line. contact 0213223930 0213223930। एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322438889 021322438889। Security guard services company requires billing and customer services coordinator for head office Karachi. Experience of at least 3 years in billing and customer services of a security company. Commerce graduate, preferably masters with knowledge of general accounting, sales tax and customer services. Expert level in MS Office (Excel, Word, Outlook (close). Proficient in English speaking and writing skills. Resident of DHA/Clifton and nearby areas is preferred with personal conveyance. Part-time/continuing education direct rated. Salary ₹75,000 plus. Other incentives. Share CV and covering letter on secjobspk@gmail.com. मोबाइल नंबर है 0345822402 0345822402 ब्रैकेट ऑफिस आवर्स ओनली ब्रैकेट क्लोज। रिक्वायर्ड AM अकाउंट्स एजुकेशन CA/ACCA/ICMA पार्टली क्वालिफाइड एक्सपीरियंस 3 to 5 years post training experience of manufacturing company in similar capacity. Job description should knowledge of financial reporting which includes preparation of monthly financial statements, cost analysis reports and reasoning of major variations, stock reconciliation, statutory audit. Well versed with handling income tax and sales tax matters independently. Good knowledge of using accounting software and well versed with MS Office. Other attributes should include team player, excellent communication skills, compatible, target oriented and stress tolerant. Salary and benefits commensurate with market and profile of the candidate. Interested candidates may send detailed CV to email jobs.ho@shafi.com. jobs.ho@shafi.com. Administration security company requires senior manager for its Karachi head office, retired army officer. bracket major rank bracket close, age limit maximum 5 years, preferably 2 to 3 years experience of security company dealing with recruitment, security operations, deployments and client correspondence. Freshly retired candidates also encouraged to apply. Expert knowledge of computerized environment with expertise in Microsoft Office bracket Word, Excel, Outlook, email bracket close. Resident of DHA/Clifton and nearby areas is preferred. Handsome salary and incentive package. Email resume and letter of intent at secjobspk@gmail.com. मोबाइल नंबर है 0300 844 6000, 0300 844 6000 ब्रैकेट ऑफिस आवर्स ओनली ब्रैकेट क्लोज। कंप्यूटर IT की जॉब है। इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर कंपनी अर्जेंटली रिक्वायर्स फ्रेश एंड ग्रेजुएट CCNA CCNP एक्सपीरियंस 1 to 2 years एंड सेल्स ऑफिसर ब्रैकेट मेल/फीमेल ब्रैकेट क्लोज। ISP एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 1 to 2 years एजुकेशन इंटर। ईमेल career@faria.com FARIYA.faria.com। IT officer and investment bank invites application for IT officer. Qualification bachelor's in computer science/software development degree. Experience 1 to 2 years of experience preferably in Oracle databases. A suitable candidate should be experienced in developing and operate in-house Oracle MIS, having experience in PL/SQL, Oracle databases 8I, forms and reports. Interested candidates may send their resume to hr@sibl.com.pk. Export industry at FB industrial area requires experienced female computer operator/office assistant. Contact send CV at 0321204438, 0321204438. Wanted experienced computer operator male/female for documentation. Center Gulistane Johar Block 17 near utility store. मोबाइल नंबर है 0322 822 6786, 0322 822 6786। एक और PTCL नंबर है 34610874, 34610874। इंजीनियरिंग की जॉब्स हैं। A well-reputed manufacturing concern is looking for electrician, electronic technician and wireman. Must be able to work on various electronics accessories. Candidate should be intermediate with relevant certification and possess 2 to 3 years experience. Send CV at email jobs4470@gmail.com, jobsjobs4470@gmail.com. Latest by 22nd October 2023. General, a multinational company requires male admin staff. Qualification inter to masters, having computer and email correspondence skills and punctual. Handsome salary. Send CV zafar697@gmail.com, zafar697@gmail.com. Animal hospital in DHA required sale and marketing officer, front desk officer, e-commerce officer, admin and HR assistant, event officer, accounts officer. Email resume at rpkccs.info@gmail.com, rpk.careers@gmail.com, rpk.careers@gmail.com. You are talented and creative fashion designer looking for an exciting opportunity to showcase your skills. Join a renowned company and be part of our innovative design team. If you are passionate about fashion and have the experience to back it up, we want to hear from you. Send your resume, portfolio and a cover letter detailing your relevant experience to sarto sarto RIADIM sarto RIADIAM diambassador@gmail.com SARTORI sartorie DA ambassador@gmail.com. Today, company located site area F for Fox 253 near Fire Brigade Station requires Chinese translator who know Chinese language, having driving age limit 18 to 40 years and required lathe machine operator, age limit 18 to 45 years. Contact 0341 228 0341 228 712. Required male/female for office work. For office paperwork, accountant or also AC technician, electrician, plumber nearby Defense and Clifton only. 0321 9258 220 0321 9258 220. WhatsApp 0333 2368 559 0333 2368 559. Required male telephone operator, data entry with salesman driver, experienced, age 30 to 35, MA Jinnah Road. Residing preferred contact 0336 825 3887 0336 825 3887. Required personal assistant bracket में लिखा हुआ है female. For CEO of leading financial institution in Karachi must be fluent in English, Urdu. Send CV 0334 065 7717 0334 065 7717. Required qualified internal auditor. The candidate must be minimum qualified and must have experience of 5 years in internal audit department for financial and accounts audit, etc. The candidate having knowledge of ERP, Excel and relevant experience in textile, knitting, weaving and garments will be preferred. Send CV at internalauditor2021@gmail.com internalauditor2021@gmail.com. We are a big builder enterprise currently hiring. We are in need of experienced real estate brokers, phone operators and computer operators. Contact office number 101 Fortune Center, Sharai Faisal. मोबाइल नंबर है 0310212131 0310212131. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 034538366699 034538366699. Our knitwear unit at site requires bright, self-motivated graduate for the following post. Merchandiser. Candidate should have good knowledge and experience in his respective field and can handle buyers independently and store in charge. Candidate should be graduate having knowledge and 5 years experience in his respective field. Please send CV bracket ikl.vacancies@gmail.com bracket close. Contact 0335 1900 0335 1900. Naya Nazimabad restaurant in Karachi is looking for experienced waiters who have prior experience working in a 5-star hotel or have experience in serving VIP guests. We offer permanent employment with benefits including family medical coverage, life insurance, annual leaves, annual bonuses and accommodation facilities. The salary starts at 35,000 PKR and can be increased based on qualifications and experience. Please send your CV to the provided email address or submit your CV via WhatsApp at the given number. We will not entertain individuals who do not meet our standards. Thank you. Email jobs@nayanazimabad.com. WhatsApp number है 033303222814 033303222814. Required business development executive for our projects located at site industrial area Karachi. Candidate having 3 to 5 years experience in related field can contact 0213259599, 0213259599 or email at aminul.haqa@outlook.com, aminul aminul.haqa@outlook.com. Required dynamic and hard-working plastic molding in charge, experienced with knowledge of computerized jet master and Haitian machines, educated and responsible dealing with clients. Salary offer inclusive of all benefits up to rupees 1 lakh only. WhatsApp CV 0334391681, 0334391681. Sterling Associates call center close is looking for people with fluent English speaking and reading skills preferred American accent close for a customer support job. Applicants should be able to work night shifts. If you are committed, punctual and wants to earn a good paycheck for your hard work, then email your resume at faisalashfaq1981@gmail.com, faisalashfaq1981@gmail.com or WhatsApp Faisal 0332959819, 0332959819. Shift starts from 5 p.m. PKST, but it varies requirements. Graduation, excellent communication skills, able to work night shifts. Address Gulshan Iqbal Block 5 near Pioneer Brost. Remuneration up to 60K. Please don't waste our time if your English speaking skills are poor. Management, a factory site required a weaving manager, should be having experience of 10 years. Please send CV at texpert0986@gmail.com, texpert0986@gmail.com. People who are looking for career have opportunity, male/female, fresh/experienced, required with minimum qualification intermediate, can apply. Saeed Sherzaman 5@gmail.com, SAYED Saeed Sherzaman SHERZAMAN. मोबाइल नंबर है 03163148 03163148 Tech savvy ? A leading textile export based company requires passionate and qualified e-commerce executive/manager/MTO to manage and optimize our e-commerce setup and Amazon store. Must be qualified to manage product research, product sales, content, SEO and customer support. Must have organizational and communication abilities and passion for e-commerce, attractive salary and incentives, and send CV on email and WhatsApp talenthunt525@gmail.com, talenthunt525@gmail.com. Recruitment manager required for reputed textile mill, must have 5 years experience in recruitment and send CV at talenthunt525@gmail.com. Yarn purchase and procurement manager required in leading textile mill, must have over 5 years experience in yarn purchasing. Send CV at the textilefactory2019@gmail.com, at the textilefactory2019@gmail.com. जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफिज़।